Okay everyone, today in this section I'm gonna show you how you can add transition with video in Kinemaster, okay? Before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment. Also, you can share my video. After doing this, first of all, you have add several image or video, okay? In this tutorial, I'm just drop media image or picture. You can select media in here, and now I will select image asset. For example, I will choose two photo and then go back. After doing this, you can add transition with click in here. And now you can select transition effect like you want. For example, I will select this transition and it's done. I think that is the way how you can add transition to your video in Kinemaster. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.